All right, you start with your favorite lasagna meat. Me is Italian sausage. Use fresh garlic or good garlic. Don't use the minced garlic in a bottle. Then use green peppers and onions of your choice. Mix them in. Then you just gotta mix it all together. Use whatever pasta sauce you like. That was on sale. That's why I did it. You know, the three ghetto amigos. Can of diced tomato. Little sugar to cut the acidity. That's your choice. Do what you want to do. I kind of went heavy, because I'm sassy. Then you're going to put your beef broth in. Use 2 containers if you want it more soupy. 1 container if you want it more like hamburger helper type style. Kiddos, it's your choice. I used the fancy pasta. It was on sale. But really, you don't have to use broken lasagna. I prefer this. It's easier to eat on the spoon, but, do whatever pasta you want. Broken lasagna looks cute, but I think this is more functional for me. Look at the consistency. You do what you want to do. You can see I added a little bit more. Again, that's all preference. Add more if you want it. I use beef. You can use chicken. Do what you want to do. Right here, again, we're working with the consistency now. Again, you saw I added more broth. So, of course, I'm going to go back in with some more seasoning. Seasoning till your ancestors tell you. If you ain't got ancestors, season till you sneeze. It's whatever. All right, you're going to add your ricotta. Don't season your ricotta. This is actually not lasagna. You don't need to do that. Just put it in the soup. I hate when I see people do that on TikTok. It's just a waste of time. Season the soup, not the ricotta. Then you're going to add your cheese. I use this. You can fresh mix it, whatever. It's not going to mess with the consistency if you get pre-shredded. It's whatever. You ain't got to be fancy. But you put it into your liking. If you want it more cheesy, you add more cheese. Use whatever cheeses you like. Again, kind of mimic whatever your lasagna recipe is. And if you don't have one, you can use what I did. And boom, there you go.